Barry the Bear's Green Adventure Fun Time.
Hey, little adventurers! It's me, Barry the Bear! And today, we're going on a super fun, super green adventure! We're going to learn all about planting trees, flowers, and veggies! And guess what? We'll meet some wiggly worms and tiny bugs too! Let's go! Plantation means planting lots of trees and plants. Plants are like the superheroes of our planet. They give us clean air to breathe, yummy fruits to eat, and even homes for our furry and feathered friends. But wait! What happens if there aren't enough plants? Uh-oh! The earth gets sad. So, we need to plant more and more to keep it happy. See this little sapling? With water, sunlight, and lots of love, it will grow into a big, strong tree. Just like you, my little friends.
Meet the helpful worms and bugs.
Look down here, friends. Meet the wiggly worms. They may look slimy, but they're super helpful. Worms help mix up the soil and make it soft and healthy for plants. They're like tiny gardeners underground. And did you know they also eat old leaves and turn them into plant food? Yum yum for the plants! And here's a cute little ladybug. Ladybugs are like plant protectors. They eat tiny pests that can hurt our plants. Who knew such a tiny bug could be a superhero too? Now, who's ready for a fun planting activity? Grab some seeds, a pot, and some soil, and follow along with me. We'll plant a flower today. First, grab some dirt in a plant pot. Be careful, the dirt might tickle. Next, sprinkle some magic seeds into the soil like you're adding sprinkles to a cupcake. Give it a little pat, pat, pat to tuck them in. Now it's time for a drink. Pour some water into the pot like you're giving the seeds a sip from a tiny straw. Then, do your best plant dance while you wait and watch as those seeds grow up to become a big, beautiful flower. Don't forget to give your plant a name. I'll name mine, Leafy McLeafface. So remember, little adventurers, planting is a fun way to help our planet. And our wormy and buggy friends are here to help too. Let's all promise to plant more, protect our plants, and be the best Earth superheroes ever. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and keep planting.